Ever wondered why your server gets overloaded? The answer might surprise you. In the digital world, server overloading is a common issue that can bring your website to a grinding halt. It's like a traffic jam in the virtual world, where too many requests are trying to get through a limited space all at once. One of the major culprits? Bots. Yes, those automated scripts that tirelessly crawl the web, indexing sites for search engines, scraping data, or even carrying out malicious activities. They can place an immense strain on your server, causing it to buckle under the pressure. For web developers and site owners, understanding bot traffic is a crucial aspect of maintaining server health. Remember, not all bots are bad. Some, like Google and Bing's crawlers, are essential for your site's visibility, but others can cause havoc. So, how do these bots cause overloading, and what can we do about it? Let's dig deeper. Bots, whether good or bad, play a significant role in server overloading. Now let's delve into the world of bots. Imagine them as tireless little workers, constantly crawling and indexing websites. Their purpose is to gather data and make web content easily discoverable. However, this ceaseless activity results in an increased number of server requests, potentially leading to overloading. It's important to note that not all bots are created equal. There are good bots like those from Google or Bing, which help your site reach more people. On the other hand, there are bad bots. These are often deployed with malicious intent, such as data theft, spamming, or simply to overload your server. But don't worry, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. There's a way to keep these pesky bots in check. It's called Robots.txt. Robots.txt is your first line of defense against unwanted bot traffic. Now let's dive into what this means. Robots.txt is a simple text file that lives in the root directory of your website. It provides guidelines for web robots, better known as bots, about which areas of your site they can access and index. Think of it as the traffic conductor of your website, directing bot traffic where it needs to go. So, how does it work? When a bot visits your website, it first checks for the robots.txt file. This file tells the bot which parts of your site to crawl and which parts to avoid. This is particularly useful for preventing server overloads. How? By blocking unwanted bots, the traffic to your site is controlled and your server is less likely to get overwhelmed. Sounds good, right? Now how do we set this up on a WordPress site? WordPress makes it easy to manage your robots.txt file. Head over to the settings section of your WordPress dashboard, then select Reading. Here, you'll find an option to edit the robots.txt file. To block specific bots, just add user agent and underneath it, disallow. Want to block all bots from a certain part of your site? No problem. Add user agent asterisk and disallow. But be careful. While it's tempting to block all bots to avoid server overloads, remember that some bots are beneficial. They help your site rank in search engines. So, before blocking, do a bit of research on the bot. Also, ensure you're not blocking important website sections that should be accessible to good bots. And there you have it. A simple way to manage bot traffic and prevent server overloads. Remember, a well-managed server is a happy server.